Hey guys, Back Gaming here, and today I got a new carpet cleaner that I've got right here, and some of y'all know what this is. This is the Hoover Steam Vac carpet cleaner. Now some of y'all think I got off of Facebook Marketplace. Apparently, no. I found this in the trash, and for some reasons why I found this in the trash is because some of the two parts are broken off. Like this little handle right here, when you release the clean water tank, like it fell off. And this hook right here, the hook to the dirty water tank, broke off as well. So yeah, that's what it is. Now we usually have this a long time ago, and I had some issues. Like sorry. The brush roll quit spinning, and the water quit spraying, and the bearings are very bad. Like with this machine, we used to have a long time ago. It has very bad bearings, and it's not worth the fixing. It's not worth the fixing it, so I just threw it away. So yeah, but this one right here, it does work. It does not sound like the other carpet cleaner that we used to have a long time ago. Like, it does work, and it does spray water. So, yeah, that's what it is. So, go ahead and do this review. You got the brush speed right here. You got spill pickups. You got gentle scrub and power scrub. You also got this tool, upholstery tool, like where you hook the hose right here. Like you just push in where you hook the hose. It's got the Hoover logo right there. It's got heated cleaning, spin scrub 0.50. And here's your clean water tank. To release, you just remove this. Trying to be careful because I don't want this to fall off. Yeah, this right here falls off. And yeah, you can see it's broke. But anyways, this is where you fill your clean water. Just lift this up, and then you put the clean water in and some solution. Close it back in. And if I can get this back on. And the dirty water tank's right here. To empty, you just push. You just press the handle release. Ooh, try to be careful. And unlock this. Careful. And you just lift this part, and this is where you empty your tank. Right here is the filter. I do need to clean this out. So just put it back on, and just put the dirty water tank back on. Clip this back in. Well, first off, I want to show you guys the brush roll. So you guys can see, here's the spin scrub. I know it's pretty dirty. I did need to clean it out. So, whoops. And clean water back, well, dirty water tank back in. And bring this back up. And put the clean water back in. Sorry. It's not worth of doing this with my own two hands. Well, I'm doing this with one hand. Yeah, so, and the tools right here is a stain tool. That's the only tool that comes with. It's pretty dirty. I don't know if this one's used a lot, but yeah, apparently nobody hasn't even used it or so. And right here is the hose. So yeah, this is where the hose is right here. And to use the tools, I can't even do this with one hand. to tools, you just remove this part right here and stick this tool into here. So yeah, that's what it is. There's some motor tools right here. You got the Hoover release right there. Got your on and off switch. And you got the cord, which apparently is not that long. So yeah, this is a not long cord right here. You got the trigger right here to spray the water. And you also got the clean surge right here for heavy traffic areas. So that's what it is. So without any further ado, I'll go ahead and do a demonstration. So y'all can hear a little whistling noise to this machine. And like I said, it does work. So I can see it's picked up a little bit of a dirty water. I do need to clean this part right here. So yeah, this machine is cleaned up. So hopefully I will be using this to shampoo the carpet. So hope y'all enjoyed this video of the Hoover Steam Vac. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.